As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished today. Bitcoin, it pumped till we touch here that 100 moving average. Yes, we haven't touched 97k, but we reached to 96k as you see it here. Now it's showing as if it's going to dump here. I'm going to show you everything in today's video, and Bitcoin doing exactly like how us we told you, us we tell it to you. We told you it's going to go back above after we break in here the downtrend here, the one here. When we're breaking down here, we told you also we are going back to test here that 100 moving average. Now the question, which is the one, did that 100 moving average going to hold the Bitcoin and we're going to see another dump from here, or we're going to break it and we're going back to test here that 200 moving average, which is at 106k? That's what we are going to discuss in today's video. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible, and you like our content, make sure to smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. As you see guys, here now what we got here that triangle here, as we showed it to you before. As you see it, that one here now, it's a very clear peanut, but before we reach to the peanut, we got here a wedge. We touch the top of it, so let's see if that Bitcoin going to fall down from here to test the lower of that wedge, that possible. The second scenario, we're going to break above here that 100 moving average, and we're going to see the Bitcoin going back to 106k. So that's what I want to know, because if you're looking with me here, look with me what I'm going to do guys. You see it here, if you came and you do it like that, that one here is a very stronger zone, or let's say is a very stronger resistance, is getting broke here. In that place here is getting broke, and now the Bitcoin came back and tested again. So as support, when it's getting broke, it's become a resistance, and now we are in another very stronger resistance. So let's see what's going to happen here in the coming days. Plus, even if we came here now, what we got guys, we got here like a up channel like that. Let me show it to you and show you those things what I'm talking about. If we came here and we bring in that tool here, that one here, and we do it like that, like how else we do it before. You remember it, that one here, we done it before, but it's okay to repeat those things. We came here and we done here the channel from those peaks of those candles like that. You see it guys, we got here a very clear up channel. We touched the lower here 2 times, and we touched the top, look how many times, more than 5 times here. You see it guys, that 5 times we touch the top, and the low we touch it 2 times. Now the Bitcoin from here going to come back and test here that middle of that channel, which is exactly at 106k. Where is that 200 moving average? Possible guys, because maybe that Bitcoin going to do like that and to come back to test the top of that channel, which is exactly at 135k. That possible, but we got here a very stronger zone, which is here, that middle of that channel. Because if you're looking at it guys, how many times we bounce from it, that one here, look at it here. So let's see what's going to happen here when we're going to touch the middle of that channel. You see it guys, everything is in front of you. We can come and do even here that channel, we can come and do it like that guys. You see it here, we bring it from that one here to that one here, and here in the top we make it all in that one. That one yes is weak, but let's see if it's going to work, because now we break in the middle of it. Let's see if we are going to come back to test here, or that break will happen here. It just a fake out, and the Bitcoin from here going to fall down again to 72k or 73k. Even that one is possible, because now also we are official in a downtrend guys, or in a bear market. Even if we see that going above here, it doesn't change nothing guys, because if we're looking at the volume or volatility, the market doesn't got volume those days. So I think I explained everything to you. If we're looking here at our indicators, what we see, the MACD here, it's still in an uptrend. There is nothing changed. Our indicator, it's still going above. The only thing, it happens something very important in our indicator guys. You remember here the divergence downtrend also we used to talking about. Look at it, also we are very close to test it, so we need to be careful guys. I think I explained everything to you here. Now let me show you the trades me are entering them for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Those were the trades me are entering them for today as day trading. That my Discord here. As you see, the one here and the one here, we enter along as day trading in the Bitcoin, as you see it in front of you. So even you, if you are interested and you want to benefit from those type of signals, you can join our VIP Discord if you are interested, of course. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. We got here 3 tiers. We got the first one, the VIP member. Over here, you're going to get all our cryptocurrency services. The second one, we got the elite. You're going to get the previous one. That's when you're going to get the VIP plus the stock market. And the last one, the one here, the auto flow, you're going to get past 2, the 2 here, plus something so special, guys. Before you join in, you need to text me here, that my Discord here, to tell you what it's working with and what it doesn't work with. So before you join the one here, that auto flow, you need to text me, guys. It's something very, very special. The only thing, as I told you, you're going to get all those ones here plus something else. How you can join, I told you. Very simple. Click a join button, that one here, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps that are going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me in Telegram, in Discord. Free one, of course. The link of them are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. Now, let's go into see liquidity heatmap, guys. Here we are, guys. That's the liquidity heatmap. The liquidity heatmap here, the one here is the weekly, guys. The weekly, we finished all the stop losses we got above. The majority of stop losses are down here. So what is it? The view based on the liquidity heatmap alone, without technical analysis, without nothing. Bitcoin going to fall down again below 90k, guys, because that much of liquidity down here and there is nothing above here. So market those days, it follow liquidity, guys. We've been discussing that, me and the people they follow me in my Discord. We've been talking about all those things today. We said food is it down. That's the only things I can tell you, guys. Now let's going to see the coming news of today. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it here, that the news we got today, we got PPI or inflation data of USA, retail sales, exiting home sales, and crude oil inventory. The most important news today is it here that PPI plus the core retail sales, and the retail sales, that one here, it affects a lot the crypto market, guys. So be careful. So I think I explained everything here. Now it's going to see USDT Dominance, what it's saying today. Here we are, guys, that the USDT Dominance here. The USDT Dominance, as you see, it fell down and our crypto market is pumped. Now here, what we got, we still have here the down channel here, the one here. We showed it to you before. We told you, guys, we got here a down channel. Look at it. It's very close to touch the lower of it. And maybe we're going to see another going above, like how it happened every time. Plus, look at that zone here. The one here, it's still holding, guys. Even if it fell down that much, but it's still holding that USDT Dominance. So you need to be careful from those things what I'm showing you here. Plus you can even come now and do something like that. It's going to become like a triangle. So I think I explained everything based on our indicator. What we got here in USDT Dominance, guys, we got here a very, very clear bullish divergence. You see it here, a very clear bullish divergence. So be careful from those things what I'm showing you. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. Here we are, guys, that the Bitcoin here in 12 hours. The Bitcoin here in 12 hours, those was the levels as we told you. And we're still the same, guys. We got 95,016. We got 90,808, and we got here 85,093, and we told you even that one here at 98,840. So those was the 4 levels all the week. That the levels or that the range for Bitcoin, guys. Everything is in front of you. Now it's going to see the Bitcoin we do it today in 4 hours. Here we are, guys, at the Bitcoin here in 4 hours. The Bitcoin here, it's look like it's breaking here, that zone here. But guys, that one here is just a fake out. So we're talking about those things a lot. Yes, 100 moving average here is cross above the 200 moving average. But there is nothing yet. Everything's still looking the same, and I'm going to prove that to you today. Because if you're looking with me, you remember here that up channel also we used to talk about, guys, or no? That the up channel we used to talk about. We haven't touched the top of it here, so I'm still thinking maybe we're going to go back to touch it here, that number 1 scenario, but we can do something else, guys. We can come and do here like that. You see it here, we got here that wage here, that one here, you see it, guys, that's a wage, and you just touch the top of it here. So be careful from those things. What's going to happen here if we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping again to test the lower of that wage here? That's possible, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Even that one, we showed it to you before. We told you guys we got here that up channel here. Not the up channel, guys. You see it here? We touch the top of it here. So I will not get surprised if I saw it from here, fall down and testing the lower of that up channel here. What we got here in our indicators, we got something very important, guys. Let me show you. Our indicators, guys, here, the MACD is still in an uptrend here in 4 hours, so there is nothing changed. But the most important thing, guys, with how to meet to add nothing, look with me here. You see it here? The next 4 hours is going to tell you if we are going to have here a bearish divergence, guys. You see it here or no? You see that one here? It's look like a bearish divergence, guys. For the next 4 hours, if it closes a red candle, it's going to be a clear bearish divergence, and that's going to indicate we are going to fall down, guys. Why? Because that bearish divergence, it happened in our indicator in a very, very extreme overbought area. So be careful from those things. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. By the way, if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. Here we are, guys. In the Ethereum here, same thing like the Bitcoin. Look here, the 100, it crossed above the 200 moving average. That means also we are in an uptrend here. Second thing, which is very important, guys, even that one here, you remember here, that small up channel, which is exactly in the Bitcoin, in the USDT Dominance. Here in the Ethereum, guys, look at it here. You just touched today the top of that up channel here, so I will not get surprised if I saw it from here dumping like that. That number one scenario. Second scenario, that symmetric triangle here in the Ethereum is getting broke, guys. Look with me here. That symmetric triangle also we used to talk about a lot here in the Ethereum. That one here, you see it, is getting broke, guys. You see it? That one here, when it's getting broke, that means we're going to see the Ethereum pumping. The only thing, there is one catch, guys. We are in a very, very stronger zone. As you see it here, we just touched it. We touched it before. We just touched a very stronger zone here in the Ethereum. Second thing is in our indicator. Let me show it to you. If you're looking here at our indicators, the MACD, it's still in an uptrend, but the MACD, it's always late. The most important one is that one here. It tried to give us here like a bearish divergence, same like the Bitcoin, like USDT Dominance. So the next 4 hour candle is going to tell you if that Ethereum and all crypto market is going to dump or not, guys. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are, guys, that Bitcoin here in 30 minutes. People there with me, what else we done? We came here, we draw here like an uptrend here. That uptrend here is getting broken. No, it will not be clear. We try to enter a short, but the market do something else. It's breaking here, the one here. We enter a long. Look at it, guys. It's hitting first, second, third, take profit. Fair enough. Now here, what we can do, we can come and do something like that, like an uptrend here. Yes, also we are far away from it. So we need to wait here a price action, guys. A price action, head and shoulder, double top, something like that. 4 is going to be confirmed for us to enter a short. At this time, there is no short yet. Based on our indicators, let me show it to you. Here, the MACD is still in an uptrend. There is nothing changed, but the most important one is it here, that RSI here. It's staying here in an uptrend, guys, and there is no bearish divergence, no nothing here in 30 minutes. So that is too dangerous to try to catch a short. And not a lot of people, they're giving you signals to enter short now and those things. It's too dangerous, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. If you want exactly when is it the right time to enter, we told you what to do, my friend. The link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video. And believe me, that 25 bucks you're going to pay is nothing compared to high quality content you're going to get inside. But it's up to you. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.